Hi friends, welcome to Learn with Pranav. I am Pranav and today I am going to show you how to earn free with Binance without any investment. So let me open Binance and click on more. Okay. Now come all the way down and you see Binance Live. Click on here, Binance Live. Let it open. It takes some time depending upon the internet speed. Let's come down and you see here are the recommended chat rooms. Let's click on say this one and let's start chatting. Hi. It will take some time for the gift to arrive. Let's say welcome. Let's wait some more. Okay. Let's say hello. Okay, I think there's no response here. Let's go to another chat room. Let's go to this one. Hi. Good afternoon. Let's wait for some time. Okay, you see the award is here. Since I've already collected, let's wait for some more time. Thank you, sir. Let's wait again. Okay. You see, I've collected the reward. So if I go on chatting for some more time, I'll collect more rewards. But that was for showing you. So this is how you get free crypto in Binance. So that was all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.